Hello, we're here today at SLE Equipment to look at this 8.5 by 28 foot custom enclosed trailer. We'll start off looking at the front here. We'll see our coupler, jack, battery box, breakaway cable, and then the cables on these are going to be your 7-pin round cable. All the wiring is going to be grouped in this channel on the tongue. That's the way it's nice and clean. Trailer does have safety tape on it. As you'll see on this trailer, we also have the RV style windows on it. We do currently have them open. Today it is definitely a very hot day, so having those windows open does help ventilate the trailer, let some excess heat out. Now on the corners of these trailers, they're custom like this. This customer chose to opt in for the crank jacks on all four corners. We've got roller wheels on the back end to keep it from catching the asphalt. LED light on these all the way around. The trailer also has DOT lighting on it. This one has a rear ramp that can come down. This trailer also features an awning on it. Of course, I have it extended at the moment. Now the awning on this one is electric. Looking at the wheels and tires, we got the aluminum mag wheels on here. These are going to be 8 lug. Now those center caps will come off, that way you can lubricate the axles as well. Lock on the door handles, RV style flush lock, so you can lock the handle. You can also lock the deadbolt. I have a bar lock that goes across here. Do have it open just for the sake of the video, making it easier to open the door. So we'll open it up here. Step on in. Now this interior on here is just going to be wood. Got our 2 RV style windows back here. The ramp does have its spring assist, fold down flap. Now the customer did opt in for a spare tire on this trailer. Now every order is different. If you order one with a spare tire, it'll come with one, but it's an optional accessory. The black boxes you see on the inside are going to be the fender wells. Those will span 6 feet. Usually on average you'll see about 10 to 12 inches in height. And depth coming in you'll see about 8 to 10. Now this unit does have an AC unit on it. We're not currently plugged into power. We'll have a battery box for our 12 volt, which is going to be our awning. RV style windows are nice because you got screens. You can close it. There's a latch mechanism that'll go up and down on these to lock them in place. So if you're going to open it, just pull on it. The entry door on this one does have the safety chain, keeping it from flying open. That door as well has a screen on it. On this unit we do have the extend and retract button for the awning. So if we'll go, I'll push the button here. We can reel that awning back in. Alright, that'll be our awning put back up. On the inside of the doors, normally you'll see the keys zip tied on there. I'll have a deadbolt lock, you can lock from the inside. Bar lock will come across. latch in like that. Apologize, kind of hard to do one-handed. Now this trailer is semi-screwless. The way you can tell is the screws have moderate spacing across from one another. If this was a screwed exterior about midpoint, you'd see additional screw ran in. So it does have a semi-screwless exterior. Color on this is the charcoal gray. It's got a nice shimmer to it. Getting a better viewing angle of the trailer for you. And that'll wrap up this custom 8.5 by 28 foot charcoal trailer. If you have any additional questions, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. We'll always be happy to help you here at SLE. Thank you.